హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఇప్పుడు మన పక్కన CEO ఆఫ్ ప్యారడైజ్ శ్రీ గౌతమ్ గుప్తా గారు ఉన్నారు. సో వారితో మాట్లాడదాం. నమస్తే సార్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
So firstly, congratulations that this season also lot of people are waiting for the most world famous हलीम, world famous बिरयानी. And इधर जो है आपका जो हलीम है उसके लिए हम लोग बहुत बहुत दूर दूर से आके पैराडाइज का हलीम खाने बोल के बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं. So what is the main secret of your like इतना लोग पसंद करने का main secret क्या है?
See, सीक्रेट एक ही सिंपल है जो कि पैराडाइज में पिछले मोर देन 70 years it has been there is focus on quality. We never compromise on quality. We use the best of ingredients. We use the authentic recipe. Recipe remains the same over many years, in fact decades. And we use very hygienic methods to prepare our food.
Yeah.
These are the three principles which have been there in 1950s, 1960s, even in 2000. That's the reason customers come to us. Yeah.
So सर अभी क्या है ना, मतलब बिफोर 20 years बैक अभी ट्विन सिटीज़ कोई बहुत फेमस था. इट वाज ग्रोइंग. अभी क्या है, पूरा इंटरनेशनल लेवल में पूरा फेमस है. एंड लॉट ऑफ सेलिब्रिटीज़ लाइक सचिन तेंदुलकर जी, अमिताभ बच्चन जब भी हैदराबाद आते हैं पक्का उनको पैराडाइज बिरयानी होना ही होना, वो एक इंटरव्यू में बोले. और सचिन साहब भी इधर खुद आके आपका एम्बियंस में खाते हैं. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, लाइक आपको कैसे लगता है कि व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न वाई दे आर सो मच अट्रैक्टेड?
Ultimately, brand is built by people. Why people get attracted to brand is because common people love that brand. So we are very glad that celebrities come and वो आके पैराडाइज के यहाँ पे खाते हैं. बट हमारे लिए every customer is very important. Because जब वो हज़ारों लाखों कस्टमर जो हमारे पास आते हैं, when each one of them is satisfied, then only brand is built. तो पिछले 70 साल से जो हर कस्टमर पे हमने फोकस रखा है, चाहे वो कस्टमर पैदल चल के आए, चाहे वो ऑटो में आए, चाहे वो गाड़ी में आए, मर्सिडीज़ में आए, हमारे लिए सब कुछ सेम है. आवर फिलॉसफी इज़ अतिथि देवो भव. Means customer is like God. Any customer who is walking in is like God for us. As a result of it, the gods of cinema also come to us.
God of cinema, God of cricket. So everyone are coming. Sir, आपका जो स्पेशल सीक्रेट है, जो बिरयानी का जो कुमकुम पू का फ्लेवर जो आप डालते हैं, so you consistently maintain it for all these years. So how could that be possible? Like कहाँ से आप मंगाते हैं, क्या है बस?
See, ultimately we have long relationships with our vendors, जो हमारे suppliers हैं. आज से नहीं, कई सालों से वो हमारे साथ हैं. एक पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप है, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप है. दूसरा, हमारी ट्रेनिंग जो है, आप अच्छा इंग्रेडिएंट मंगाएंगे लेकिन आपकी ट्रेनिंग होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. प्रिपरेशन के लिए किस तरीके से हम मैरिनेशन करते हैं, कुकिंग करते हैं. तो हमारा ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम पूरा एक डिपार्टमेंट है जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग काम करते हैं. और दे आर ट्रेनिंग पीपल ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. प्लस ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी हैव ऑल्सो मॉडर्नाइज्ड. आपने सोचा होगा, पहले देखते होंगे कि जब ट्रेन चलती थी तो कोल इंजन से चलती थी, अभी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजन है, अभी फ्यूचर में आप पता नहीं यार. तो वैसे जैसे जैसे दुनिया चेंज हो रही है, वैसे वैसे पैराडाइज में भी हम नया मैकेनिक्स, नया मशीन ला रहे हैं.
So you are evolving according to the time.
As per the times. Yeah.
सर, कमिंग टू दिस हलीम, सो ये क्या स्पेशल होने वाला लास्ट ईयर का टेस्ट से अभी टेस्ट के, क्या व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस यू आर गोइंग टू गिव?
If you are good, you have to be good every year. So we will be exactly the same as we were last year. I think the options are there. हमने चिकन हलीम भी लॉन्च किया है, मटन फैमिली पैक भी है. इस साल हम डिलीवरी में भी बहुत सारे ऑफर्स दे रहे हैं. कस्टमर्स को काफ़ी ऑफर्स मिलेंगे डिलीवरी में. जो डाइन इन और टेक अवे में आना चाहेगा वो भी आ सकता है. सो वी जस्ट वांट टू मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी. द स्पेशलिटी इज़ कंसिस्टेंसी फॉर अस.
సో అదండి, చూసారు కదా. సో మన గుప్తా గారు చెప్పిన మంచి మాటలు ఏంటంటే హీఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ మెయింటైనింగ్ ది క్వాలిటీ అండ్ కన్సిస్టెన్సీ. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఐ హోప్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ విల్ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ది వరల్డ్ అండ్ ఎంజాయ్ దిస్ వండర్ఫుల్ హలీమ్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So first of all, welcome to all the media friends. I can see few media friends behind the cameras. Welcome again. I think we are meeting after a long time. But you know, जैसे बोलते हैं देर आए दुरुस्त आए. We should meet up. As you know, Haleem is such a wonderful tradition of Hyderabad, and you can see this hashtag which said "Duriya Mitai Haleem." We realized the importance of Haleem after COVID. For 2 years, I think the market was not having Haleem because of the COVID restrictions. And when the COVID restrictions were lifted in 2022, first time we launched Haleem again. The emotional connect was very high. Customers connected with this campaign saying Duriya Mitai Haleem, means Halim brings people together, right? Obviously, Halim is linked to the holy month of Ramzan, which is starting from tomorrow. But Halim is also a Hyderabadi legacy, like biryani. You will be glad to know that, like Paradise is biryani capital of the world, Paradise is also strongly associated with the Halim legacy. In fact, one more data point I want to share with you is that last year, as per our delivery aggregators Swiggy and Zomato, Paradise was the number one Halim player in the country. No, so we sell Halim obviously in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, a lot of other cities. We were the number one Halim player in the country. So we are very proud of that. Halim is a very, cultural food. While it is associated with Ramzan, it is also a delicacy which people have enjoyed for many, many years. So Paradise Halim में क्या खास है? Paradise Halim में जो आप तीन चीज़ें देख रहे हैं, ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट. पैराडाइज इज ऑलवेज अबाउट ऑथेंटिक रेसिपी. कई सालों से जो रेसिपी चले आ रही है वही रेसिपी हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं, चाहे वो बिरयानी हो, चाहे वो हमारी करीज हो, और चाहे वो हलीम हो. बिकॉज ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी हैव लर्न दैट कस्टमर्स लव द रेसिपी विच हैज़ बीन देयर फॉर मैनी मैनी ईयर्स. सेकेंड थिंग इज वी यूज़ हाई क्वालिटी इंग्रेडिएंट. ये तो आप सब लोग जानते होंगे कि पैराडाइज इज़ नोन फॉर क्वालिटी. In any product that we use the highest quality ingredient. In Halim, as you know, many ingredients are there. There is, mutton obviously, there is ghee, there are, dal, rava, काफ़ी सारी दालें होती हैं. Then there is the masalas, multiple masalas are there. So we have always, Paradise has always stood for best quality ingredient. We never compromise on that. So that's the second thing which is important. And hygiene, जब हम सर्वे करते हैं कंज्यूमर्स का, तो कस्टमर पैराडाइज के लिए हाइजीन, क्वालिटी के साथ साथ हाइजीन ऑल्सो इज एसोसिएटेड वेरी स्ट्रांगली विद पैराडाइज. you know that we have already run a program where customers can visit our kitchens. Now we are the only biryani player to actually do that, because we are confident that anybody who visits our kitchens will be happy to see the high level of hygiene, food safety that we keep. So यही तीनों चीज़ें आपको हलीम में भी मिलेंगी. I am hoping that you will enjoy the Halim. Halim, over a period of time also we have evolved. So obviously mutton Halim is the most popular Halim. On popular demand, couple of years back we started adding chicken Halim also, which you are seeing here. Chicken Halim, which is also popular now. Last 2-3 years we have got very good response on chicken Halim. And then some customers also ask for family pack, because a lot of customers want to enjoy at home, enjoy with the family. So you can see the family packs also here. Mutton Halim, this is a 3 times the size, and also chicken Halim. Plus we do a lot of combos with Coke. Coke is our partner. We give a lot of value to the customers. All these packs, as you can see, are tamper-proof packs. There is a seal here. It cannot be, once it is opened, it cannot be closed again. So it's a tamper-proof pack, because today's customer wants food safety, hygiene, quality, everything, plus good packaging also. So this is one packaging. In fact, we were the first to launch the tamper-proof packaging in the Hyderabad. Now a lot of other players have also done, which is good for the customer. So we are very happy to. We have already launched Halim this year, because again the popular demand has been that a lot of customers come from outside. Now they may not come during Ramzan time. Sometimes they come in January and February. So there is a lot of popular demand, especially in Secunderabad. So we have launched Halim earlier, but the real Halim sales will start from tomorrow. And I invite all of you to taste Halim and give us feedback. I will be around. I will take your feedback when you taste. And please share your feedback with our team also. We will be more than happy to take this. Thank you very much.